Hello and thank you for watching our video. So we are featuring now a Toyota BB. It has a 1NZ engine, and unfortunately the original engine was blown, and due to the he doesn't change his oil, so the other engine was blown. And this the engine, here's the original engine inside. It's at the back. We'll check that later. Also, the other engine that's installed was the surplus engine. Unfortunately, it's also suffering from overheat, so we have to pull it down again and do some work on this surplus engine. And by the way, once we already pulled it down, we'll have it bring it to the machine shop precision, and we have Jeb precision machine shop. This is where we bring our machining works, like shave of the block and the head. We will also refit the main bearings, the connecting rod bearings. Also, have the valve seals placed, and triangle valve lapping. So we are the two engines, and as you can see, we are trying to remove the block. Check out the sideways. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be working. It was just rejected by Jeff, the owner of Precision. Here's their number. Please contact them. Each need some machining works.